So I have the pleasure today to introduce the amazing group of women here from DeVal. Come on up. So Purpur Chur is the QA quality manager. We met you on the tour. Denicia Washington McCrae. Where's Denicia? She's a welder. Maureen Heddle, contracts manager, 37 years with DeVal. Came right from down the street at St. Hubert's High School. And actually, I met her daughter, who's working here. Melissa Tart, HR manager. Janae Bennett, HR coordinator. And Deanna Earl, accounting, 43-year DeVal employee. So it is my pleasure to turn the program over to Ms. Jeannie Whitfield. She's Vice President of Business Development here at DeVal and an esteemed, I believe, founding member of Women in Defense Liberty. So, Jeannie, all yours.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm so excited to be here today and to have the opportunity to lead this panel of wonderful women who work here at DeVal. As Arlene said, I'm the Vice President of Business Development here, and I've been with the Parts Life family of companies for 12 years. In my time here, I've seen how the opportunities for women have grown and evolved within our organization. As a mother with a young family, DeVal has provided an incredibly supportive environment to allow me to grow my career without having to sacrifice time with my family. I've also had the privilege to work with women like Maureen and Deanna, who have over 35 years of experience in this industry and are always willing to guide and teach newcomers to the business, as well as to provide advice on work-life balance and motherhood. I've also had the privilege to witness the growth of women like Janae, Melissa, Denicia, and Purpur, who bring real-world experience and fresh perspective to the culture here at DeVal. And now, I will give each of them a chance to introduce themselves to you, starting with Maureen.
Hi, I'm Maureen Heddle. I came from St. Hubert Catholic School for high school for awesome service. I've been here for 37 years. I'm a contract manager. And how I started out in auditing. I went into purchasing, accounting, and then I got into sales. So that's my little story.
Hello, everyone. My name is Janae. I'm the HR coordinator here. I started my journey in defense in 2019 when I joined the Marine Corps. I've been in for about 7 years. Hoorah, Super Fi! I did 4 years active, and then now I'm on an AR contract, and I've been here since 2023. So.
Hi, my name is Purpur Chur. I'm a QA manager in DeVal Lifecycle Support, and I started my career in remanufacturing 2013 in Cadon industry, and I grew from inspector into the quality supervisor. And I joined DeVal Lifecycle Support in 2024 from QA assistant into the quality manager. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. My name is Melissa Tart. It's my mom. I'm the HR manager here. I also oversee our training and workforce development efforts. I've been here for 6 years. I started right out of college as just the administrative assistant. I probably didn't even know we were in the defense industry, honestly. But being in that role, I was able to learn about the business, all areas of the business, about the industry, and I really took a liking to the people side and our owner's vision of helping people reach their God-given potential. And once a door opened in HR, I took advantage of that opportunity. The company invested in me. They got me SHRM certified, and now I get to lead that part of the organization, help other people do the same thing.
Hi, everyone. My name is Denicia. I am a welder here at DeVal. I started my journey in manufacturing back in high school. In 10th grade, learned at A. Philip Randolph Career and Technical High School under Mr. Joe Williams. I did become a mother in 11th grade, but that did not stop my passion or my determination. I came back in 12th grade. I've earned and received a first place grant of $2,000 from Airgas. And now, 5 months after I graduated, I was working at SEPTA. I purchased my home at the age of 20. And now I'm here at DeVal, still a welder, and I've been here for over a year.
Hi, my name is Deanna Earl. I started my career here 43 years ago as a data clerk entry level, and I have proceeded to move on to all aspects of the company. But mostly at this point, I am the accounting manager for DeVal and Parts Life. And I guess I started here, I got my job interview. It was family-oriented at that time, and I knew the family. But, I'd like to say that I didn't want to take the job because I thought, I don't want to support war. And I said, I don't think I'll stay in this job very long. I'd like to tease Dave Cavasiello, because here it is 43 years later, and I'm still here supporting the warfighter.
Gracias.
In preparation for our panel today, we had asked that questions for the panelists be submitted in advance. Each of our panelists will be fielding one of those questions. If you have additional questions for them or you would like to get to know them more, I would encourage you to mingle with them during the rest of the happy hour. So with that, we're going to start with Maureen. Maureen, what keeps you interested and motivated in your job supporting the manufacturing defense industry?
What motivates me is the people I work with and knowing that we make a difference by supporting the warfighters and our government in creating a safer and stronger future. Everyone at DeVal works together as a team, always helping and supporting one another. Each day brings new opportunities to learn and improve how we serve the defense community, ensuring clear visibility and accountability for their product. It's a rewarding feeling to know that our work directly supports the war fighters in the field.
Thank you, Maureen. Janae, how have you faced challenges as a woman in our industry? And if so, how have you navigated them?
Yeah, so one of the biggest challenges I've faced as a woman in defense is kind of how my emotions are perceived. I'm gonna take a little pause right there and say, No, but back when I was active duty, my emotions were cool when I was like keeping the peace and I was comforting people, being calm. But when I would channel that same emotion into setting my boundaries or advocating for my team or just myself, my career, it was like, oh, you're doing too much or oh, you're too emotional. So I stopped apologizing for my heart a long time ago because honestly, my emotion is my awareness. And if you look around and you see how I interact with the people here in my Marine Zone base, that awareness is what keeps them, sane. And that same awareness keeps the employees here and it keeps the Marines sane when we're in the field. And it keeps the culture evolving as well. So that's kind of how I could say it.
Thank you, Janae. Melissa, you're up next. Can you talk about what you see as opportunities for other women in trades and why you think the defense industry is the place to be?
Yeah, being in HR and in workforce, I definitely see there's so many opportunities in the trades and especially in the defense manufacturing. Here at DeVal, we're part of the Navy Talent Pipeline, which they're here. And I know just with the Navy Maritime Defense Industrial Base alone, there's over 250,000 jobs needed in the next decade. So that's every year jobs in the trades, jobs in manufacturing, opening and available to people who want to grow, people who want to work in a purposeful industry as well. So, defense, there's just so much pride and purpose in knowing that the work that you're doing, you can literally see your skills impacting our nation's readiness and security.
Awesome. Thank you, Melissa. Deanna, you're up next. What advice do you wish you had received early on in your career?
I would say that I think you have to stay in your lane. You can ask tons of questions and learn what other departments do and how they affect your department and vice versa. Learning as much as you can about your company's product and each department can make you a valuable member of the team. Always be willing to assist in anything. Staying in the background keeps you in a stagnant state in your career. Making yourself visible and available will open doors for you to other opportunities. When you become more knowledgeable in different areas other than what you were hired to do, it will get you noticed.
Thank you, Deanna. Denicia, have you faced challenges with work-life balance? And if yes, what strategies have you employed that you find helpful?
Yes, balancing work and life hasn't always been easy. As a single mother of 4, including 3 toddlers, and y'all know it take a village. Let me say, it does take a village. But this year has brought its share of challenges, from emotional up and downs and unexpected illnesses, appointments. But through it all, DeVal has shown genuine care and understanding for me, not just as an employee, but as a woman and as a mother. Having that kind of support means everything to me. It has allowed me to maintain stability for my family and to continue growing in my career. I make it a point to keep open and honest communication amongst my team, giving notice in advance about any scheduling needs so we could plan together. That partnership has made all the difference. I'm deeply grateful to DeVal for being a part of my village, my support system, and for providing an environment where I can both provide for my family and to protect my peace. I truly thank God for the opportunity here and to be a part of a company that values both hard work and humanity. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Seriously.
Thank you, Denicia. All right, Poor. What advice would you give to other women looking to begin a career in manufacturing and defense?
My advice to women entering manufacturing and defense is to be confident and stay curious and never afraid to stop asking questions or never afraid to learning anything. And try to be challenges, new challenge. This is bring where we at, bring growth. And this field value possible position, teamwork, and problem solving, and women bring incredible strength to those areas. Believe in your skill, speak up, and keep pushing forward. And always support one another, because when women live one another, we all succeed. Thank you.
Thank you, Poor. Let's have a round of applause for all of our panelists. Thanks, sir.
Wow, you're all amazing. Please don't go away. We have so in the military and defense community, challenge coins are presented to commemorate exceptional service, achievement, or participation in a mission. Though small in size, these coins carry great meaning. They represent honor, unity, and shared purpose. So on behalf of Women in Defense Liberty Chapter, it is my privilege to present each of you with a challenge coin from We at Liberty as a token of our appreciation for your leadership and courage today, for your insight in telling your stories, inspiring other women, and most important, for your continued contributions to our nation's defense. Thank you so much from the bottom of our heart.
Thank you. Thank you so much for caring. It's really nice study. Thank you. Ooh, just see.
So,
To Sam, can I ask you to come up? And the DeVal Lifecycle team, I'd like to give you a challenge coin from With Liberty. I want to thank you today for the incredible warmth and hard work of your team welcoming us here today. I'm going to ask everybody, please don't leave. Please do take time to network and enjoy food, drink, and the company and all there is to learn today. The mayor did already leave. We did present her with a challenge coin. I certainly felt inspired as a born and raised Philly girl. Incredibly impressed with all that she is doing for City of Brotherly Love, which is still my home. I again want to thank, just one more time today, I want to thank our sponsors, TMG for the Talent Pipeline, NDAA Delaware Valley, and the Judge Group. Without your support, we could not do events like this. And finally, if I could ask the members of With Liberty and Women in Manufacturing, just raise your hands, please. Thank you. These dedicated volunteers work tirelessly behind the scenes to create these programs. Let's give them a well-deserved round of applause. Good lab. If you're not yet a member of WID or WIM, there are QR codes literally all over this room. So please, please join our community. Together, we're advancing women, strengthening our workforce, and shaping the future of our nation's defense. I thank you for being here today. Please enjoy the time and have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.